Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page in today's newspaper on Saturday. Saturday, January the 28th, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles in this puzzle page: the 2 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. And the last one I will do is the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah. Well, 4 stars. There are no stars indication. But before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 22 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So I think it's a 1-star Tectonic. Yeah, and this will be number 5870. Yeah, 5870. All right. Yeah, and for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. 50 minutes or less. That's my goal. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box. The single box always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. Need more information? Let me mark those 2 boxes then. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have a triple box? I see here only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 over there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, yeah, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, well, we have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Okay, triple box, more triple boxes, no quadra boxes then. I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, the 2 and the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. More quadra boxes. Here, another one. Well, the 4 is filled in, so the other 3 numbers, the 1, 2, and 3, could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. The 2 is already filled in, but the other numbers could be everywhere. Okay. Then the following strategy is to look for boxes, or well, boxes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the shape, yeah. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Well, why there's a hole in the newspaper here? Well. This is a hole, okay. When you see this kind of shape, figure, structures, or constructions, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. All right. More of these kind of shapes. Here, upside down. This box has the same name as that box. Okay. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. More. Here, another one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. All right, we have 3 of them. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape here. All right, when you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1, and it's also connected with that box, should be also a 1. All right, so this box, oh, apologies. So this box, yeah, has the same name as that box. All right. All right. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. In this area, we have 3 missing numbers. But this box can be a 1, and also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then let me see. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and the 3. Alright. I think this box. No. Need more information. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then. Well, this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, need to think. Yeah. Okay. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 now. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. We have a double 1 here, or double 1 there. Yeah, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5 for the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5 for the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So we solve it again. It's definitely a 1 star and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow Sunday we have the additional and I will do 4 out of 7. Yeah, 4 puzzles and also the Samurai Sudoku. So see you then. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. Meet you tomorrow. Until then, bye bye for now.